Hello guys, thank you so much for checking out this channel. I'm Yusuke Nagano from Karate Dojo WaKu. Today in this video, I'll be introducing to you a pair exercise you can do to get a powerful kick. So let's get started. First, have your partner stand in front of you and squat down together. And one of us will get our leg right above him and get down. And repeat this. Try with both legs. Turn from the outside to inside and from the inside to outside. Yeah, so once you get used to it, try this in Maigiri as well. Yeah, that's it. That is it for the video today. Thank you so much for watching. And in the comment section, tag your partner and try it together.